Here's a question. You have to identify the adjective here. The beautiful garden is full of colorful flowers. Tell me, what will be the adjective here?
Adject. Beautiful and
Yes,
colorful.
very good.
Full. Not full. Choose the correct.
Next
The
one.
cake is delicious.
Very good. The cake is delicious.
Right.
Write a sentence using the adjective happy. Just give me any sentence.
I am happy.
That's the very happiest one.
Eh.
Next one.
The big brown dog ran across the wheel. The big brown and
Yeah. Very good. Next one.
The wonderful sky was filled with stars.
Yes, wonderful sky. Yeah, you can use anything. Very good. Now more sentences I'm gonna give you. Here you have to identify nouns, okay? Tell me.
Teachers, students, and books.
Children's book, very good. Next one.
Apple, a common noun.
Or a proper one. Tell me.
What's a common noun?
If you don't know, tell me.
What's a common noun?
Okay, so you don't know. Okay, so these are like types of noun. Okay, that we will discuss. Okay, common noun, proper noun. Okay, there are so many types, so that we will discuss. Not an issue. Write a proper name for. Okay, leave it then. Then I will discuss in detail. Okay.
Write a
Next one.
Write a proper noun for the common noun. City. A Tokyo or something.
Wait, I will discuss that. I will discuss that. Try the next one. Name two nouns you can see in your classroom or in your room. Anything.
A TV
Ah, okay.
and a whiteboard.
Yes, whiteboard, chair, anything. Very good. Next one.
Fill in the blanks with a noun. I want to visit the beach during summer vacation.
So you want to go on a beach, huh? Nice.
What is the pronoun? What is the pronoun in the sentence?
Tell me
He is reading a book in the library. He.
Very good.
Replace the noun with a pronoun. Sarah went to Sarah's friend's house. She went to Sarah's. Okay. She went to her friend's house.
Very good.
Which word is a pronoun?
Both are right. Which word is a pronoun here?
We.
We, yes.
Fill in the blanks with a pronoun. I love to play basketball.
It is given there. They love to play.
They.
Yeah, I love to play also. Very good. Write a sentence using the pronoun they.
Pronoun they. They were running.
Okay, they were running.
Yeah.
Okay, so all these were good.
Yeah.
Read this up.
Okay, circle the proper noun and the noun.
Just tell me common and proper one. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Park is a common,
Hmm.
and with his dog is a proper.
Okay, cool. Next one.
Which of these is a proper noun? City, school, London.
London. Very good. Next one.
Find a common noun in the sentence. At the Taj Mahal is a beautiful monument. Common. Monument.
Very good. Monument is a common noun and Taj Mahal is a proper noun. Okay.
Yeah.
Next one.
Write one proper noun for the common noun. For the common noun, country. Proper. London.
Yeah, London. London is a city, by the way, not a country. Tell me country.
UK.
Yes, UK. You don't know any other country?
I know a lot of countries though.
Then tell me other names. Why you are behind only UK, UK,
In
UK? Huh?
India, Australia, Russia,
Very good.
and yeah.
Okay, enough. Fine. No problem. Question number 5.
Okay. Fill in the blanks with a proper noun. My best friend name is myself. What?
Okay, next one.
Write a proper noun and a common noun for each category. Animal, place. Place, but animal is a common noun, and the place is a common noun.
You need to give proper also. For animal, you have to give proper noun.
Animal. Elephant.
Okay, for a
And
place.
Place is a common noun, and Australia is a proper.
Very good. Question number 7.
Separate the proper noun and common noun from this list. Rivers,
Ganga.
Ganga, school, and Delhi. A river is a specific, so proper.
No, river is not specific. There are so many kind of rivers. So many names are there. So river is
common.
a common. Yes.
And the second one is a proper.
Ganga. Yeah, Ganga is proper. Ganga river is the name.
A school is a common.
Yes.
And Delhi is a proper.
Very good.
Creative.
Question number 8.
Name one proper noun for the common noun river.
Any river name, you know? Any river?
I have no clue.
Have no. You haven't read about any river in UK?
I don't know.
Tigris,
Yeah.
Danube? No? Okay, fine, no problem. Okay, not an issue. Let it be. Question number 9.
Okay, write a sentence with both a proper noun and a common noun.
Now try to make a sentence.
My favorite transport is car.
Cool.
And I think that's a common.
Yeah, that's both. Your favorite transport is car. So transport become common and car become proper. Very good.
Okay, now number 10. Match the proper noun to the correct common noun.